Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python. Start by grasping the absolute basics, like what a variable is and how to assign values. Then, move on to understanding different data types, such as integers, strings, and lists. Practice simple arithmetic operations and learn how to use conditional statements like if-else to control program flow. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to these foundational elements for the first 2 weeks. Once you have a solid grasp of the fundamentals, it's time to get your hands dirty with projects. Building small applications, like a basic calculator or a simple guessing game, will help you see how concepts connect. Don't be afraid to start small, even a program that prints "Hello, World." In a loop is a project. Aim to complete at least 3 to 5 small projects in your first month of learning. As you progress, explore Python's vast ecosystem of libraries. Libraries like Pandas for data manipulation or Matplotlib for plotting can significantly extend your capabilities. Leverage free online resources, including official documentation and interactive coding websites. Many excellent books and structured courses offer in-depth knowledge. Dedicate about 20% of your learning time to exploring new tools and resources. Consistency is key to mastering Python. Try to code for at least 30 minutes every day, even on busy days. Engaging with the vibrant Python community can provide invaluable support and new perspectives. Join online forums, attend virtual meetups, or contribute to open-source projects. Explaining concepts to others is a powerful way to solidify your own knowledge. Remember, continuous learning and practice are essential for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.